When I first enrolled in computer science, I thought I was stepping into the future. I imagined learning how to build apps, design games, and create that kind of software that changes lives. But within a few weeks, reality hit me hard. Endless theories, boring lectures, no practical applications, and professors telling me what to memorize instead of what to build. And that's when I realized, or even understood, that maybe computer science is actually a scam. I remember doing my coding homework. It was too simple that it made me think, I'm supposed to be building this in the future, so why does it feel pointless? Everyone around me was studying for exams, solving problems that no one outside the university would ever care about. I thought that degree would teach me how to build real applications, but instead, I was learning how to pass. Then, one day, something changed. I decided to purchase a course about mobile development in Udemy. I started following along, studied a full course, and I felt happy. I was learning real knowledge that if I applied it, it would change my life and it would change the life of those who will use the tool that I will build from it. That's when I understood the computer science system. Computer science wasn't the scam, the system was. It indeed teaches you theory and basics, which I insist that are important, but they lack practicality. The truth is, no one's coming to hand you real-world skills. You have to go out and build them by yourself, one project at a time. Once I stopped chasing perfect grades and started building things I actually cared about, I learned more in 3 months than in 3 years of lectures. The feeling of bringing an idea to life, of turning code into something real, that's what computer science should have been about all along. Computer science gives you the foundation, algorithms, problem solving, logic, but what it doesn't give you is direction. The real education begins the moment you decide to build something that matters. Build an app, a website, a game, anything. That's how you'll discover what kind of developer you actually are. So here's my challenge to you. Get perfect grades. Why not? These are achievements. But on top of that, build something small, finish it, and put it out into the world. Because once you see something you built actually come to life, you'll never think computer science was a scam again. You'll realize it was teaching you how life works.